In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean mobile wireframe in Balsamiq from a blank project to icons and layering. First, launch Balsamiq and start a new wireframe or a new project. Choose a single wireframe if you're sketching one screen, or a project if you expect multiple screens. Either way, you'll land on a blank canvas with the UI library ready to help you build fast. Begin by exploring that UI library. You'll find pre-built elements like iPhone frames, buttons, icons, and text fields. Drag an iPhone or generic mobile frame onto the canvas to define your screen. This gives you a visual boundary and helps you design at the right scale. Next, grab a title bar, a few buttons, or a text area, whatever your layout needs, and drop them in place. To move even faster, use Quick Add. Start typing into the search bar, try button, icon, or image, and Balsamiq will filter components instantly. Hit Enter to add the selection, or drag from the results to place it exactly where you want. Quick Add is perfect when you know the name of a control and don't want to scroll. Drag and drop is as simple as click, hold, and move. As you position elements, you'll notice Balsamiq's smart snapping. Lines and edges will align automatically, helping you keep everything neat without measuring. If you want repeating patterns like a list of items or a grid of cards, duplicate elements with Alt or Option plus drag, or press Control or Command plus D. This keeps spacing consistent and saves a ton of time. Select any element to customize it in the Property Inspector. Here you can adjust text, size, and color, swap a button label, or tweak a field's width. Keep styles consistent to make your wireframe easier to read. If an element feels too loud, tone down its color so the hierarchy stays clear. When you need visual cues, open the icon library, search for categories like arrows or social media, then drag the icon you need onto the canvas and resize it to fit. Icons should support the layout, not overpower it, so aim for consistent sizing and contrast. For content, use simple placeholder text or lorem ipsum. This keeps the focus on structure while still showing how the layout will handle real content lengths. Finally, manage layering in the inspector. If you're using a container behind other items, send it to the back so buttons and text remain clickable on top. Think of layering as the stack order of your screen. With these foundations in place, you've built a clear, flexible wireframe you can refine and expand.